outside and we can see them clearly. Did you want him? That's what he said. Ooh, look, Papa. Bagel time. Come on, bring it on, girl. Ooh, yeah. Strawberry flavor. Alright, pop this bagel out, bro. Okay. I'm opening it. Yeah. Wait, was there a toaster?
If there's no toaster here, we could put it in the toaster for 5 or 10 seconds.
Oh, no.
I tried it. I tried toasting it with the microwave.
I mean, there's no toaster. It's okay. Not waiting for the cheese cream to be ready.
Girl.
You grab the cheese cream and you slap it on. You see that? If you can put the whole dang can in there, put it on it.
Girl.
Okay, but why does that look really good?
And let me get some light on here.
Yeah, turn some light on. Yeah.
Get that good look.
And you slap it on there. And you rub it on there.
Like how?
Eat it. Take a bite. Take a bite. Tell me why. I didn't record you taking the first bite. It's good. Oh shoot, let me take my shoes off. Ooh. Yay, I get a pillow and a blanket. Woo! No, I was falling asleep and she said, it's snack time, girl. I got up real quick. Netflix time.